This video describes how collection managers can use the optional defaults to automatically add certain types of information to every deposit in their collection in the Stanford Digital Repository. I'll walk you through the manager options, then show you what it looks like from the depositor side. Including collection defaults can speed up depositing by limiting the number of form fields that need to be filled out for each collection and can help to minimize errors in fields that would otherwise have to be filled in with the same information repeatedly. They can also make review faster for collections that have the review workflow enabled, since fewer fields would require review. This is the collection form from the SDR self-deposit application, and we are on the Type of Deposit page. If a collection manager makes a selection on this page, for example text, then every deposit to this collection will automatically have this work type applied. The depositor does not have the option to change this. The manager can also choose subtypes that would be automatically applied. The depositor would not be able to change these either, but would be able to add more. The Contact Email for Deposit page allows the manager to add an email contact that would be listed on each individual deposit to this collection. Again, the depositor would not be able to edit or remove this. Lastly, the Contributors page allows the manager to add authors or contributors that would automatically appear on each deposit. The depositor will not be able to edit or remove this entry, but they will be able to reorder it within their list of authors and contributors. One such use case would be to add the degree-granting institution here for all deposits to an honors thesis collection. Please see our separate video on how to make that entry. Now let's look at this from the depositor's side. This is the deposit form, and we're on the Title and Contact page. The depositor's email is automatically filled in the contact box, but below that you'll see the default entry for the collection that will also be displayed on the public web page for the work. On the Authors Contributors page, the default entry is listed but can easily be rearranged by the depositor. In this case, I want Stanford as the degree-granting institution listed at the bottom. And on the Type of Deposit page, the previously selected work type and subtypes are noted and not editable, but the depositor is able to select additional relevant subtypes.